Meta back in court for a landmark trial that could lead to sweeping changes on Instagram and Facebook.
So this time, 4 different states are suing the social media giant, accusing the company of knowingly creating features on its platforms that keep kids addicted. They also claim that Meta misled the public about safety and illegally collected data from minors.
California's Attorney General posting this statement on X saying Meta designed a dangerous product for young users, knew it to be dangerous, and lied about how dangerous it was.
The company is pushing back on those allegations, saying that they have been proactive in putting in safeguards to protect kids. This all comes after Meta recently lost a big case in New Mexico and a separate bellwether trial in Los Angeles. NBC News business and economy reporter Ali Canal joining us now to talk more about this. So opening statements began this morning. How are these states, Ali, planning to prove that Meta had these features that they knew were addictive and didn't do anything about it?
Well, I think the simplest way to think about this state's case is the focus is on what Meta said, what it billed, and ultimately what it knew here. And when it comes to proving that, the states are going to focus on 3 features that are not protected under Section 230. So this is the law that historically has shielded online platforms from liability when it comes to the content that their users post. And these features include the following: appearance altering filters, time limit tools, and multiple accounts. And separately, as you just said, they allege that Meta knew children under the age of 13 were on its platforms and therefore violated federal children's privacy laws. Meta denies all these allegations. They say that the states don't have the evidence to back up some of these claims and that this is an industry-wide problem and therefore it requires an industry-wide solution such as age verification at the device level. When you talk about the stakes, they're huge. We're talking billions and billions of dollars that Meta could be on the hook for, and then potentially some changes to the way that their platforms operate.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.